Hey y'all, I'm Matt Bell. As of lately, probably the past week or so, I haven't been watching any videos or TV, podcasts, anything like that. The only content I've been consuming is pretty much just music. It's given me a lot more time for my brain to think of my own ideas. In my downtime, I'm not thinking about other people's ideas, thinking about what they want, and I'm really able to understand what I want and what's really going on inside my brain. If you spend a lot of time watching other people, you see the things they have, the things they want, the things they speak about. And naturally, our human brain wants what they have. You want to fit in, you want to be like them, you want their success. So you become more like them and less like yourself. So maybe just take a week or so to step back from that kind of content and just hear your own brain for once. Meditate on that. Think about what you want out of life. Think about where those ideas come from. Maybe step into nature. It's beautiful out here. Hope you guys all had a good new year. And I hope you've got some good resolutions. Hope you're making progress towards those. I know I am. Make a video about that if you guys want. I know you want that. If you do have any nature near your house or wherever you live, just take 15 minutes a week maybe. I think you'll want to spend more time out there once you get into it. You can really connect with yourself, the world. You'll see all these new plants. I've never seen that before. You don't see that on TV. It's not the most beautiful time of year. But there's beauty everywhere if you think about it. If you turn your phone off. That's cool. What's this? That's pretty cool. Really love to hear from you guys. Any kinds of realizations you have about yourself or about life. If you take the time to think. Or what you learn about yourself in the world, in nature, or anywhere else you travel. Out in nature's where we belong. can really feel that when you get out here. Most of you haven't even explored the area around where you live, which is sad. You know, it's like if you were in GTA and the whole map was grayed out because you haven't explored it. You know, get out there and see what there is. 'Cause there's lots out here. Just hold on a sec. Hope that looked cool. Was hoping to catch the sunrise for you guys. It's quite beautiful out here. Sunset's just down there. If any of you guys have trouble sleeping, watch the sunset. That'll tell your brain it's time to go to sleep. If you guys want to get anything out of this video, I urge you to go into nature. Take a step away from your phone for a while. Just take in what the world has to offer. Let me know what you realize. I'd appreciate that. Take care, guys.